Now, the effect and response that we hope it will have is that it will make the Iraqi government reconsider the way it is treating detainees, reconsider the way that detainees under its custody are being tortured and abused, and in fact implement a new policy and a new voice that says torture is not an acceptable policing technique. Depriving detainees of food and water is not an acceptable way to treat detainees in custody. We hope it will cause a change in the way the Iraqi government treats detainees, and we hope it will cause a renewed attention and focus by the US government and the British government in terms of the focus they give to how the Iraqi security forces are behaving. We don't have any information that they're getting direct orders to act this way, but certainly ministry officials at the highest level, the Ministry of Interior, know what's going on, and if they don't know, they should know what's going on. So on either level, they are responsible. We have a number of cases where American advisors to the multinational forces and to the Iraqi police have told us that they are in fact aware of the torture. In some cases they have complained about it to higher US officials, and they've been told to be quiet about it. In other cases they've just looked the other way. Well, we released it in the spirit of the election, in the spirit of an informed democracy and informed consent. We think the Iraqi people have a right to know what their current administration is doing, and we believe that we hope that the Iraqi people will hold their government accountable for its actions against Iraqi citizens. That's what democracy is all about.
I agree that human rights violations have taken place, and we have said it on and on that human rights violations are taking place in this country, and we have condemned that of human rights and to the rule of law. But unfortunately, we have elements within various institutions who are deliberately working against those values. But it's not the policy of our government.
I wanted to focus on human rights as it pertains to your role in your job as police officers in the future.
وأكثرها يعني شغلات يعني خطيرة أو مهمة.
Role out on the streets as police officers.
وين